Hello, my name is Ross Doolin, and I am an LA-based interior designer. Recently, I've been receiving a lot of questions about where to find the perfect patio furniture in preparation for summer. As you might be able to tell, I'm currently outside in my backyard, so understand how important these private outdoor living spaces have become. This question came in from Nadia in Florida. Do you know of any online sources for nice patio furniture? I'm having such a hard time finding something nice and not too expensive. I sure do, Nadia. My secret for great, inexpensive patio furniture is RH outlets. I recently discovered these hidden gems speckled throughout Southern California. Just so I can make sure this recommendation would work for everyone, I did a little research and found that they have these outlets located across the entire United States. What makes this the ultimate find is whatever they have on site, you actually get to take away with you. Being a very impatient person, that is a huge plus. Instant gratification. I recently discovered these outlets when I was looking for a filing cabinet they discontinued from their website, which was a huge bummer for me. Sure enough, I was able to locate it and at an additional 50% off its normal list price. And honestly, it was in nearly perfect condition, or at least good enough for me, which, if you know me, it has to be pretty perfect. Hope that helps, Nadia. Think you might have good luck finding exactly what you need. Please submit any of your design questions to me through DM on Instagram, or better yet, create a post and tag me in it. You can also reach out directly to my email address at ross@rjdesign.co, yes, co, or leave a question in any of the comments. Thank you for watching.